we meet again. Yep, you have to put up with it. Gotta put up with this butt munch again. Gotta put up with this ugly redneck kid again. Yep, sorry about that. Well, in this episode, got me a task to do. Dangerous task. Well, we're gonna do a little prank on the gear knob that sits in my Ford Ranger. Oh yeah. Well, as you notice in my other videos, that gear knob, it always comes to life, and it attacks me all the time. So, give it some more payback, get some revenge. So I came up with a plan. Ooh, I got a good prank to pull on that gear knob. You just wait and see. Well, right now I'm hiding out in this shed right now. So I don't want the gear knob to hear my plan. I don't want the gear knob to hear me. I think it's sitting in the truck right now, but I don't know. But let's get to it. Oh yeah. You see this laxatives bottle here? This is laxatives. I guess this stuff is supposed to give you the squirts or something. Supposed to give you explosive diarrhea or give you the craps. I don't know. Well, you know what I'm thinking? Well, the gear knob, it always comes to life and comes out of the truck. And it sneaks into my house, breaks in, and steals food all the time. So, whatever it steals this time, I'm going to pour this in it. And this is real laxatives right here. This is a real bottle, so I'll pour it in. I think I got a few minutes before that gear knob gets in here. It's usually at Pacific time it comes in here and steals stuff, so all I gotta do is wait.
A few moments later.
Oh, I think I heard something. Oh crap. There it is. I think that gear knob left. Just grabbed a cup. The gear knob just grabbed a cup. I don't know what's in it, what it grabbed, but you know what? Pour this laxatives in it. Let's open her up here. Open this thing up here. Take the lid off here. And just pour her in. Pour it in. Alright, got the whole bottle in there. Alright. Now I'll just leave this cup here and wait for the gear knob to come back and get it and drink it. Oops, here it comes. I think that gear knob's back in the truck right now. Oh, I think that gear knob is taking a drink right now. I think it drinked it. Now we just gotta wait and see what happens. That gear knob don't see me.
2,000 years later.
It's been a few hours. I think that gear knob is moving around in there. Ooh, crap. Whoa. Just... Oh, crap. I think that stuff is working. That gear knob is jumping around. Okay, shh. Ooh. Whoa. Did you hear that? Whoa. I think that gear knob is ripping farts right now. Ooh, that smells. Yeah, I don't think that gear knob's doing so well. Oh, did you hear that? Did you hear that? That gear knob is busting right now. Oh. Oh, shoot. That gear knob is jumping around. Oh, crap. Oh, shoot. Oh. That gear knob's making a run for it. I think it's heading for the throne. Ooh, I got that gear knob good. Ah, damn it. That gear knob just went in my bathroom. Oh no. Not in my toilet. Well, that's a bad idea. Oh, there it is. It's on the toilet right now. Oh, do you hear that? Do you hear that? Oh, crap. That gear knob's in there laying a log right now. It's ripping a dookie right now. Ooh, it smells. Oh, crap. Whew. Gonna have to sanitize that bathroom now. This is my bathroom it's using. I can't believe this right now. Have, have you guys ever seen a gear knob on a toilet, sitting on a toilet before? Whoa, crap. Ooh. Oh, crap. That gear knob just crapped all over the place. Look at that big old log. Oops, it's off the toilet. I think it might be done. Ooh. Ooh. I think that gear knob just saw me. Oh, crap. Oh, crap. Oh, shoot. No, that gear knob's coming after me now. I got caught. Woo! Whoa! Oh! That gear knob is farting after me right now. Oh! Oh! Oh. 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 And I was never heard of again after this video. Don't put laxatives in your gear knobs drink. Yep, it's pissed. It just killed me.